A quiet afternoon, and she's enjoying some quality time with the birds. But something is wrong.
Dad, the food and the water are dirty.
Don't worry, sweetheart. We will solve the problem.
Reli Birddy Smart Bird Cage. Designed to first remove dirty water and old food. Then deliver fresh and clean supplies to keep everything healthy. Just one tap on your phone. The preset amounts are dispensed automatically, providing everything your birds need. No more hassle, no more worries, making bird care easy and enjoyable.
Dad, why are you washing the cage every day?
The droppings of the bird can breed bacteria, and that's dangerous for the health of the bird.
Reli Birddy Smart Bird Cage. Meet the innovative automatic cleaning system with UV sterilization, keeping the cage clean with ease. Plus the all-new knob control. With just a twist, everything is under control. Temperature and humidity are also displayed, helping you maintain the perfect environment. Now birds are happy, and the waste collection is simple with Reli Birddy Smart Bird Cage. Enjoy your day with a cup of coffee and your bird. With the Reli Birddy Smart Bird Cage, you can use the app to set feeding, watering, and more. Now, even when you're away, the app keeps you connected with scheduled care, so your bird stays comfortable. As night falls, the LED lights softly turn on, while the automatic feeding and watering system continues to look after your bird. Reli Birddy Smart Bird Cage, the beginning of smart bird care.